Nevertheless, Toyota's TNGA platform has been strengthened a lot, using a lot of UHS steel, and performs so well in the standard crash tests. However, in practice, it is defeated by the Volkswagen MQB platform, the latest version of which has been significantly improved. So, when buying a car, it's desirable to get a new model. See you in the next video. Hi, in this video, we will see a practical crash test of the Toyota Corolla with Volkswagen's Jetta, performed by DCAR Institute of Collision Safety. The result will reveal surprising safety details about the latest platforms of the biggest car companies. Recently, Japanese cars have outperformed Germans in the standard crash tests, but which will be safer in a more practical scenario, when the two very similar cars collide at 40 miles per hour with 50% offset? Let's find out. At first glance, we can see that the airbags and airbag curtains of both cars have popped up. Let's check the doors of Volkswagen. The door was easily opened with a force of 40 Newton. The dummy's head fell just at the center of the airbag. There is no big problem with the overall structure. The A-pillar has not been deformed. Although the front of the car was seriously damaged after the crash, there is no serious crush intrusion. In general, energy absorption mainly depends on the front of the car and if it fails to absorb the impact. Then, the impact will be transferred to the passengers. It seems that the crush intrusion into the Corolla is much more serious than the Jetta. Even the anti-collision beam of this car has been involved in energy absorption. The performance of the A-pillar is worse than that of the Jetta. Although the rim of this car is complete and not broken, it caused an intrusion into the passenger compartment. The doors were locked up and didn't unlock after the crash. They could be unlocked only from the inside. All the airbags have popped up, and like the Jetta, the dummy's head was hit in the middle. We can notice various deformations in many places, including the roof, and the gap of the whole car body becomes very large. But nevertheless, the entire body of the car absorbs the impact and deforms sufficiently thanks to Toyota's brand new TNGA platform. Just from the damage of the car, the performance of Jetta is obviously much better than that of the Corolla. This may be related to the fact that the 2021 new MQB platform of the car has a large area of body reinforcement which strengthens the advantage of the car in a real crash. As a result, the Jetta caused more damage to the Corolla when protecting itself. The latter's whole seat is out of control and disconnected, and the whole structure has been loosened. It's interesting that the Toyota Corolla weighs almost the same as the Jetta, and it has performed very well in various individual crash tests, but the result in a real crash test appears to be surprising. That's also noticeable when the cars are taken apart. The condition of the Toyota Corolla is much worse than that of the Jetta. Overall, the damaged areas are in red circles, and you can see the condition of the Toyota Corolla is much worse than that of the Jetta.